What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best baitcaster reels on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is KastKing Speed Demon Elite Fishing Reel. Highest gear ratio baitcast fishing reel. When KastKing set out to conquer the fishing tackle world with the fastest retrieve speed baitcaster on the planet, they did more than make Speed Demon Elite baitcasting reels fast. They pulled out all the stops. Based on input from pro anglers in MELF, EASS, Flu, and Beef, and scores of recreational in KastKing, at Bake unique and patent pending features. The results were outstanding, and like all KastKing fishing reels, they made it affordable. A great fishing reel starts with great gears. KastKing used Hamai precision cut aerospace aluminum 44.3 mm main gear and brass pinion gear for ultimate performance. 1:0.5:1 speed and an amazing 42 IPT for super fast line retrieve. This makes it the fastest gear ratio baitcast reel on the market today. If that's a little too fast for you, Speed Demon Elite is also available with 8.6:1 gear ratio, 34 IPT, and all the same other features. Demon Eye Centrifugal Brakes. Speed Demon Elite baitcasting reels have a revolutionary design. Demon Eye Micro Control exterior centrifugal brake system that puts brake adjustment at your fingertips. After initially setting the internal brake pins, you can then fine-tune your brakes with the external Demon Eye control. You now have a wide range of 40 adjustments for the bait and conditions you are fishing. Winning features added: 10-1 double shielded stainless steel ball bearings, up to 18 Elps of ultra smooth triple disc carbon fiber drag, palm perfect design, patent pending Dexy double tapered control chute line guide to virtually eliminate backlashes, add casting smoothness, and improve line retrieval line memory dial to help you remember what size line you spooled on. Easy maintenance oil port and water drainage port. Solid platform and features. KastKing Speed Demon Elite fishing reels utilize an exceptional solid aluminum frame for zero flex and low weight. Likewise, aerospace quality hardened aluminum alloys are used throughout for the B-shaped spool, worn shaft, split main shaft for weight reduction, higher speeds, and longer casts without noise, and 90 ml aluminum handle with EVA grips. This gives you a cast reel that weighs only 6.7 ounces. In our list, the number 4 product name is KastKing Centron Light Bait Casting Fishing Reel. Lightweight, weighing in at only 7.6 ounces. The Centron Light Bait Casting Reel has a narrow, glass fiber infused nylon frame that is ultra light and ultra powerful. The compact sized low profile baitcaster fishing reel is ergonomically designed for comfort. High powered KastKing Centron Light Bait Casting Reel is designed for longer casts with a maximum drag of 15.4 lb. It's the perfect gift for any fisherman looking for greater distance when casting. Smooth performance. 5 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, 1 anti-reverse bearing for smooth, reliable performance. Brass main pinion gears, 10 magnet braking system with outside adjustment get the work done with minimal effort. Large capacity casting reel. This reel is ideal for those anglers looking for longer casting distance. The King anodized aluminum spool has standard braided line capacity LB widths 12 lb B180 Bs 15 L15 LB1 120 years standard monoline capacity LBD90 widths 1080 B widths 12 lb 55 wides. Long-lasting performance, lightweight and long-lasting materials ensure the durability and lifespan of your new reel. You will be amazed at the performance and mechanics of the new Casking Centron light long cast bait casting reel. In our list, the number 3 product name is Piscifun Torrent Bait Caster Fishing Reel. Unbeatable value and performance, this bite caster reel that is affordably yet delivers exceptional performance and durability. It is designed to cater to anglers of all levels and comes in a compact size with a concealed side cover release. High performance, this product features innovative double bearing supported pinion gear technology, providing exceptional performance. It delivers a 30% increase in smoothness under load compared to single bearing supported systems. Adaptable to your needs, the 5.3:1 gear ratio model is perfect for crankbaits or slower presentations, while the 7.1:1 gear ratio model quickly picks up fishing line at 30 per turn, making it great for pitching jigs or burning baits at high speed. Unmatched drag power, 18 pounds drag system that enables anglers to unleash their fishing potential. The bait caster reel utilizes advanced triple carbon washers to provide ultimate strength when battling trophy fish. Ease of use, the side plate oil port design of this fishing reel ensures user friendliness and easy maintenance. Ideal for beginners and seasoned anglers alike, it simplifies reel care and accelerates maintenance tasks. In our list, the number 2 product name is Piscifun Alijos Baitcaster Fishing Reel. Unleash your inner angler. The Piscifun Alijos 300 Baitcaster Reel is designed to handle the biggest freshwater fish and inshore saltwater species. With an incredible 33 pounds of drag and huge hamai cut-hardened brass gearing, this reel is built for big fish and big swim baits. Built to last, crafted with premium aluminum frame and handle, the Alijos 300 fishing reel is incredibly sturdy. Loaded with high-end components including 8 double-shielded stainless steel bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse, this reel is built to withstand the toughest fishing conditions. Innovative design, the Alijos 300 bait casting reel features an ergonomic design with a super easy to access thumb bar engage button on the gear side plate. The super sturdy line wrap spool eliminates the need for mono as backing, while the double shaft support line guide system increases stability. The 8 effective magnetic braking system prevents overruns and backlash, and the inner wrapped thumb bar pad provides better comfort. Customizable options with 6.6:1 and 8.1:1 gear ratios and different color-coded features. The Alijos 300 is a versatile fishing reel that adapts to your personal preferences. You can also choose between an ordinary double handle or a strong power handle for added control and power. So, musky and saltwater approved, the Piscifun Alijos 300 bait casting reel is perfect for musky and saltwater fishing. It's a smooth, lightweight reel that offers great value for the price. Get ready to reel in your dream catch with the Alijos 300. In our list, the number one product name is Casking Royal Legend II Bait Casting Reels. New compact design, Casking Royal Legend series has been Anglia's favorite bait casters since 2014. Royal Legend II bait casting reels are totally redesigned for comfort and super performance. It's a compact size, low profile bait caster fishing reel combined with a concealed side cover release that makes the reel comfortable even after thousands of casts during a day of fishing. Legacy, Carry On and Beyond, the new Royal Legend casting reel has carried the legacy and set a new bar for performance and durability. For the first time, Cast King implements the double bearing supported pinion gear technology to a Royal Legend II reel that delivers a 35% increase in smoothness under load compared to the original Royal Legend. This new design structure increases durability by an astounding 30%. Faster and lighter Royal Legend IA provides faster gear ratios than the previous models. The new 5.4:1 gear ratio model is perfect for crankbaits or slower presentations, while the 7.2:1 gear ratio model that quickly picks up fishing line at 29.8 per turn is great for pitching jigs or burning baits at high speed. Compact design also saves weight for Royal Legend II, making it just 7.2 ounces, which is lighter than most of graphite side covers and frame casting reels available today. Stronger, Cast King's new Royal Legend casting reels are equipped with an extra hard stainless steel main shaft, Hamai precision machined brass gears, diamond-shaped ceramic line guide, and Kenke aluminum spools for strength and durability. Combine those high-end features with a quadruple disc carbon drag that delivers a fishing stopping 17.6 silbs of drag in bait casting reels available today. Crossfire magnetic braking stem to avoid time-consuming and frustrating overruns and backlashes. The new Royal Legend II fishing reels include a newly designed dynamic magnetic braking system with 8 magnetic buttons, compared to only 5 or 6 on most other reels. Royal Legend I's 10-level adjustable braking system eliminates casting issues while maximizing casting distance and fishing line control in windy conditions. Say goodbye to overruns and hello to more fish in the boat.